Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Facebook account to a business Facebook page. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up any type of browser and search for Facebook and go to their official website. Give it a go and it will then ask you to log in. Just log in completely with your profile account, and after logging in, you will be redirected to the account timeline page. Just select your page either from the left side menu or from here. Now select the More option on your page profile and select Edit tabs. It may be not available now for some reasons, but this is how it works. Just select Edit tabs, then select Edit right beside Template option, and then select Business Template from the menu. Just tap on Apply Theme and you're done. So that's how you can convert Facebook account to a business Facebook page. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.